Okay, let's imagine something wild for a second. What if your blood wasn't red? What if, instead, it was green or even yellow or bright orange? Would you turn into the Hulk? Or would something else totally weird happen? Let's break it down. First, why is blood red in the first place? It's all about hemoglobin, a protein in your red blood cells loaded with iron. When oxygen binds to that iron, it changes colour and boom, you get that classic red. But nature's got a crazy sense of style, and not all creatures bleed red. Some lizards, like New Guinea skinks, actually have green blood. Seriously. So, let's say your blood was green like those lizards. That green colour comes from a pigment called biliverdin, which is actually what you get when your body breaks down hemoglobin. In most of us, biliverdin quickly turns into bilirubin, which makes things yellow, like bruises or, let's be honest, pee. But if you had a ton of biliverdin, your blood would be green. Now, biliverdin is actually toxic in high amounts. So, if your blood was green, you'd need some serious biological upgrades to survive. Those skinks, they evolved special ways to deal with it. Alright, what about yellow blood? Some insects have that, thanks to a chemical called hemolymph. It works a bit like our blood, but doesn't carry oxygen the same way. If you had yellow blood, you'd probably need a whole new design for your organs, because iron-based hemoglobin would be out, and you'd have to rely on something else, maybe copper, or even vanadium, like some sea creatures do. Oxygen transport would be way less efficient, so no marathons for you. Now, orange blood. This one's rare, but it happens in some sea squirts, thanks to, you guessed it, yet another metal, vanadium. If your blood was orange, it'd be because of another totally different protein, and honestly, scientists still aren't sure why some animals use this. So, if your blood was green, yellow or orange, you'd basically be running on alien biology. You'd need massive changes to your organs, metabolism, and probably your entire way of life. But hey, you'd win every costume contest. No fake blood needed. So the next time you see a drop of red, remember, it's not just a colour. It's proof you're a human, with all the cool science that comes with it. Imagine a different colour though, and you're basically imagining a whole other world.